everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to design a clean and modern login and sign up screen in SwiftUI, complete with form validation, secure text fields and smooth transitions between the screens. Everything will be built from scratch using SwiftUI's declarative UI, and yes, we will keep it under in 15 minutes. If you are building any kind of app with user authentication, this is the perfect foundation. So let's start by creating a project. We are going to start with a new SwiftUI file called authView. Firstly, we will create a new SwiftUI view class. The name is authView. This will be our main screen that switches between login and sign up modes. Now in this authView struct, we will add a @state variable to control the screen toggle. This will track whether we are in the login or sign up mode. Now we will add vstack. This will vertical stack all the views which we will add in this. Now we will add the text in this. We will show the dynamic title within this text label. If the value of is login is true, then we will show the login, else we will show the sign up text. Now we will change the font with the large title. We can set the bold title for this. Now we will create one new struct which is auth form view. In this form view we will add all the text fields and buttons like for email, password, etc. Let's start by adding some views. We'll add the binding. We will bind the login or sign up state from parent view, which is coming from the authView struct. We will add the email state and password. This is for password input field and this is for the email input field. We will use we have to add this outside of the body view. Okay, so we have to add email and password strings within the text fields, which we will use within the body view. Okay. We will also create one more field which is confirm password field. Okay. Now within the body we will add vstack. Oh, we also have to add the auth form view in preview. Okay, we have to use the @state variable. This is just for the preview, which is on the right hand side of our screen. This is like a simulator in which we will show the output of our auth form view. So now within the vstack, we will add the text fields. Now we have to create the custom text fields. We will create one more SwiftUI struct custom text field, and within this, within the body, we will create a vstack in which we will add one text label. We have to add a title. And we also need to bind the text, which will use for two-way binding to parent state. We also have to use is secure variable for bool value, which will be used whether to show secure fields or unsecure fields for the password values. Now we have to use within the text title, which is a field label. Now we have to set the font for this text. We have used the smaller font. Now we will set the foreground color gray. If we have a secure fields, we will use the secure field. We will set the placeholder. Now set the binding text. Set the text field style with rounded border. And in the else part, we will use the simple text field. We will also set the text field style in this with the rounded border value. We have to set the auto capitalization none. Which will prevent the capitalizing email. Okay. For the preview, we will use the values like for the title email. For the text, we will use the state variable @reviewable state where secure false. Now we will use this custom text field within the auth form view within this vstack. Let me show you how. Custom text field with title text and is secure. Within the title we will use email, and in the text we will use $email is secure false, because we will use is secure true for password and confirm password. You can see on the right side of the screen, you will see the output of our text field auth form view. You can enter anything within the text fields. You can see the password. This will not show the text in strings, as you can see. Now we will add the button. Before adding a button, we will add the padding. We are using the padding to provide spacing on left and right hand side from 2020. Now we will add the button. For login we will use the login button title, and for the sign up we will use the sign up button title. Now we will set the frame for this button. Now we will use the max width. We set the infinity, which will use the full width of the screen, which will expand to full width. Now we will set the padding. We are using the padding with text to provide the spacing between text and the rounded border of text fields. Now we will add the background color. We will set the blue color. Now we will set the text color of text fields. We will use the white color for foreground color. Okay, as you can see the button now we have to now we have to set the corners of that button. We will use the clip shape. Previously in the previous Xcode versions we are using corner radius, which will deprecate in the future versions. Now we are using dot clip shape, and within the clip shape we have to use the dot rect. Within the rect we have to use the corner radius. You can set any value here. As you can see, the corners are rounded within the button. Now we will use this auth form view within the auth view. As you can see, the auth form view is showing within the auth view. screen. Now I will add the button which will toggle in between the login and sign up screen. In this we will add the animation for the smooth transitioning. This toggle will change the is login bool value from false to true or true to false, like vice versa. You can see. Now you can see for the sign up screen the confirm button shown, but for the login screen this will also shown for the login screen. So we have to remove the confirm password text field for the login screen. To hide this, we have to use if condition or if is login for false. Let's see. For the sign up, confirm password is showing. For the login, it's not showing. That's correct. Now we will add some frame for the text fields. We will add some height to 35. It's not working because we are using the rounded border. We will use the plain text field style. Now we will use the frame height of 40. Plain 40. Now we need to round the borders manually. To round the border, we have to use the background. Rectangle dot stroke. We will use the stroke color gray. Line width 1. We also have to add the corner radius by using clip shape. As you can see, the text fields are shown with the border, but the corner radius not working. We will add the padding to get spacing in between the text and within the border of text field. As you can see, this is working. Now we have to shift the email from center to left hand side. We have to set the alignment within the VStack to leading. Now we can see the auth view screen. This is working. Okay, for the password and confirm password, we have to do the same thing whatever we are doing in the simple text field. Let's see. Okay, this take too much height. Let's check why this take too much height. Now this is working as expected. Now we will give some spacing between the text fields as well as the text field and button. For the text fields, we will add the spacing within the custom text field VStack. No, we have to add the spacing between the auth form view. For the button, we will add some padding from top to 10. Okay, now this is looking great, as you can see. Okay, as you can see the animation, this is working smoothly. This is switching the screens very smooth. Now we can also check the validation. We can also add the validation to show some pop-ups on the screen. If the email is empty, we can show please enter email, and the same for password, confirm password. Let me show you how. For this, we have to use the auth form view, and within this we have to use the dot alert. Within this, we have to show the title. We have to add the title like alert. Now we will create a @state bool variable to show alert, and one for message. Within the binding, we have to add the $show alert. Within the actions, we have to add the button. Within the message, we have to add the text to show the message. We will add within the text alert message, which will be a dynamic message. Now we have to add the validations within the button. Like within the button, if email dot is empty, if email is empty, then we will add the message alert message please enter email. We will also use the show alert true. Okay, same for password. Please enter password. Same for confirm password, but confirm password is only used for sign up screen. We can add the condition here, like if is login is false, then we will add confirm password condition is empty. Please enter confirm password. Else if we also have to match both the passwords, like new password and confirm password. If both the values will not match, then we have to show password and confirm password does not match. And in this, if all the validations are okay, then we will show the message sign up has been successfully completed. For the login, you have successfully logged in. Let's see how this will work. As you can see, now we will add some email. This will show the password. We will add 123. Please enter confirm password. Now we will add 12. Then this will show password confirmed, password does not match. 1 2 3. Sign up has been successfully completed. Now we will check for the login. Please enter email. We will add some email. Please enter password. And that's it, your complete login and sign up screen in SwiftUI. Let me know in the comments what UI you want to build next. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more SwiftUI tutorials, and I will catch you in the next video.